Okay, guys. Can anyone tell me what these are?
Starfish. Sea stars. Sea stars.
What do they feel like? You can only hold on to them for a little while and then pass them around. Okay, so everybody gets a chance. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me who this is?
Patrick.
That's right, it's Patrick. And what show is he on?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SquarePants, that's right. Now, is Patrick real?
Yes.
No, he's not real? Okay. So those are real starfish? Patrick is a cartoon starfish. So he's not real, right? Can anyone venture a guess as to what this might sound like, this word? Almost, Derek. It's fiction, Tamia. Fiction. And then this one, this is fiction. Non-fiction. Excellent job, Derek. Good job. Does anyone know what fiction is?
It's not real. No, you have to have fake. Fiction.
Fiction is fake. Fiction is not real. So the non-fiction is real. That's right. So, would Patrick be fiction or non-fiction?
Fiction.
It would be fiction. What about the starfish that you're passing around? Would those be fiction or non-fiction? Non-fiction. Okay.
Hello.
So everyone remembers what we went over last time with protagonist, main character, setting is the place, the plot is the story, beginning, middle, and end. And then what we talked about today, fiction, which is real or not real?
Real.
Patrick is what? Is Patrick fiction or is Patrick non-fiction? Thank you, Tamia, very much. If he's not real, is he fiction or non-fiction?
Non-fiction.
If he's not real, he's fiction. You're right. So Patrick is fiction. What about this? Is this fiction or non-fiction?
Non-fiction.
Right, because it's real. And I'm going to read this book to you today. And you know why I'm going to read this book to you? Because you're going to the zoo. That's one reason. Two, the other reason why is because when I read you this book, I'm going to ask you questions about protagonist, who the main character is, the settings, where it takes place, and the plot. What happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end. Book to you. What's cool about it, that part of it is fiction, and part of it is non-fiction. And what I'm going to need your help in doing is, I'm going to ask you, after I read it, what part is fiction, what part is not true, and what part is non-fiction, what part is true. Okay, does everyone understand? Guys?
I like to
Ending, you're right, okay. And then, up here, what part of the story is this? The front. The first page would be what? The beginning, the middle, or the end? The beginning, that's right. Okay, in the beginning, here he is, he's at the same zoo with a regular lion with 4 legs. So, at the beginning of the story, is this real life or is this
real life.
Okay, so is that fiction or non-fiction? Non-fiction, that's right. Okay, so does everybody think that they could write a story that had a main character, a protagonist, that was set in a place, had a setting, that had a beginning, middle, and end, and also had fiction and non-fiction in it? Do you think you could do that? What I want you to do is I want you to draw a picture of something, Anasty, draw a picture of something that is non-fiction in your journal, and
fiction.
something that is fiction. I want you to draw. Okay.
That's SpongeBob's cousin cooking Krabby Patties, and that's an apple.
Okay. So, an apple, good job, Brady, nice job. Okay, an apple, would an apple be fiction or non-fiction?
Fiction.
Stay up here, Brady.
Non-fiction.
Non-fiction. And what about SpongeBob cooking Krabby Patties?
Non-fiction.
Fiction. That's right, it would be fiction. So everybody, let's have a hand for Brady. Good job, Braden.